In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into a UAL account as a student. So what UAL is full from is University of the Arts London. So it's a University of London which is associated with, arts and other stuff, all right? So that's the short form of it. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can log in into it. So most people are confused on how they can log in into their UAL account. To log in into it, basically you want to go to your search engine and search for UAL student portal login, just like this. So search for it. Once you search for it, this thing is going to show up. And once you want to click on where it says UAL portal login, you want to click on it over here. And it's going to take you to this website. Once you're in this website, basically what you want to do is click on where it says username and enter your username. And after entering your username, you want to enter your password. After entering your username and password, you want to click on where it says login. And if your username and password is correct, after clicking on login, you should be able to log in into your account easily. But if it is, incorrect, then you won't be able to log in and it's going to say error. All right. And for some reason, if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on where it says forgot your password and, reset your password by following all these steps. All right. So that's basically how you guys can reset your password and how you guys can log in into your UAL account. So that's basically what today's video is about. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for this type of videos because we post this type of videos in our channel. So be sure to do that to get notified and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.